Hi, on this quick video, I will teach you how to use the Fibonacci tool. Most of the people do not know how to use them. And there's a lot of people that'll tell you that you have to use it on the dailies, on the hours, on the 15 minutes, on the retracement. And that's something that confused most of the traders. Now, I will tell you this so you can understand how to use it in a simple way. You're going to use the Fibonacci tool on your retracement time frame. That's it. That means if you, for example, if you are looking for a retracement of a trend in the hourlies, there you're going to use your Fibonacci tool. If you're using the 30 minutes, on the 30 minutes, you're going to use your Fibonacci tool. If you want to use, you're using the 15 minutes as a retracement time frame, you're going to use your Fibonacci tool there. I will show you how. Now, this is one of the trades that I got today, right? One trade that I got a few minutes ago, right? And this is going to a downside. We have a few days of retracement, but the trend is still the same to a downside. I'm not gonna tell you all about this because this is in our trading course, right? Now, for example, if you're using as a retracement of 4 hours, right? What you're gonna do is you're watching that we're having a retrace. Now, you're gonna bring your Fibonacci tool and you're gonna start from the bottom of the drop to the highest point of that drop, all the way up to the highest point of that drop. And as you can see, this is retracing. This is retracing to the 38%. Most of the trades come to the 38% retracement. Okay. Okay, let's zoom this to get a better perspective. Right. If you zoom over here, you're going to see that most of, and this happens a lot, most of the consolidations and most of the people that it's in trading is waiting for this retracement on the 38.2%, and they start getting that trade there. Now there's another conditions that I need to get into that trade, not only getting into that 38.2%, because because you need a few other conditions there. Now most of the traders use the 38.2% as a retracement point to get into a trade. Now for us, we can trade with the Fibonacci tool or without the Fibonacci tool, right? And we need something more than seeing the 38.2% retracement, right? You can get that in my trading course, all right? But basically, when you get the retracement on your retracement time frame, that for me it's could be the 4 hour, it could be the hourly. We're going to do the next one with the hourly. Let's see this one, Euro GBP. It's about a video that I made about changing trend, right? And let me show you this. Now it's going to the upside. We got this break, so it's going to the upside. Let's use it, do it in the hourlies. All right, and again, the last run. This is the last run. I'm going to bring it from top to bottom, right? To the bottom, and I'm going to move it a little bit. There you go. So we can seal this in a very good way. There you go. There you go. Now it's dropped. Now again, you can see over here that we got this at the retracement to the 38.2%. Now you don't know if this is gonna retrace to the 61.8, to the 50%, to the 38.2, to the 23.6, or to the beginning of the trend. right? So when you do your Fibonacci tool, is just a part of trading. You need to have a reaction on any of these points in favor of your trade. All right. In this case, you need a reaction going to the upside. All right. In this case, in this other case, I need a reaction going to the downside. All right. So you can check out what reactions, what do you need to get into these trades in my trading course. But basically, do not use only the Fibonacci level to enter a trade. You need to get other conditions that will have to confluence with the Fibonacci level to enter into a trade. Okay.